My name is Rose Brown. I am a second-year social and personality psychology PhD student here at Cornell University, and I research primarily code switching. So what does it mean to code switch? And my research defines it as the extent to which people alter their language, intonation, or behavior in the same context or subcontext. And so I explore the antecedents to code switching behaviors, and I leverage artificial intelligence as well as virtual reality to do so. And so some of my past work has included me creating different virtual reality environments and placing students or participants in those environments and seeing what prompts people to change their behaviors. In addition to that, I examine and study and investigate all of those words, what it means to be politically correct in the workplace. So what does it mean to be PC? Because I think a lot of people talk about it, but no one really knows what it means. And so I work to define what it means theoretically to be politically correct. And then I also examine the antecedents to being politically correct in the workplace or choosing not to be, what gives people the privilege or the right to not be politically correct if they choose not to be. In addition to that, I study broadly this DEI umbrella that entails quite a bit. So, for example, one of my recent projects examines the impact of filing a workplace complaint internally or externally on the basis of retaliation, harassment, and just discrimination in general. And this is a qualitative research study, and I have a lot of great data, and I'm looking forward to publishing that soon as well. I also study just discrimination broadly in the workplace in different contexts. Why does it happen still today with all of the things that are in place for it to not happen? In addition to that, I love working in a data science capacity to study a lot of these topics. So leveraging AI is very important to me with regards to looking at language and behavior, and I plan to continue to stay in this space as well. And that is essentially what I study primarily here at Cornell University. As a CCSS data science fellow, I focus a lot on just designing, marketing, and other communication materials to promote the engagement and computational work across the university in general. That's something that's very important to me. It's something I'm very excited to continue doing. And that also entails me creating short films on different social science techniques, as well as our workshops that we offer here at CCSS. In addition to that, I just focus on disseminating information concerning data science methodology and resources to the Cornell community and beyond. And so in general, my goal is just to raise awareness about how data science is something that we all can use in different ways with regards to our research, and how data science is very important no matter really your field or your discipline or even your background. If you feel like you're not an expert in natural language processing or not an expert in using some type of methodology, there's always something that you can learn and where the learning curve is not so steep. So for example, if you're looking to get more into an AI space and you're curious as to maybe how to get into like a more easier, tool, you could use ChatGPT, for example. That's like I think a beginner friendly data science tool that people can use no matter their background. It really takes pulling up a website, entering in whatever information you need, and then analyzing that data or those responses qualitatively or even quantitatively as well. And so in general, this is something I'm very passionate about as a data science fellow, and I'm so excited for the school year and the opportunity just to keep raising awareness about these different computational techniques and just the importance of data science in general.